Hello students. So today we are going to learn chapter 1 Introduction to Accounting. In lecture 1 we have to study why do we need accounting. So the main reason why do we need accounting. So every business is established with the objective of earning profit, right? So to achieve this objective, a business performs numerous financial activities every day, such as purchasing of goods, selling of goods, receiving cash, paying expenses, and depositing money to the bank. These activities are known as business transactions. As the number of transactions increases, it becomes difficult to remember every transaction accurately. Therefore, every business requires a systematic method of recording a financial transaction. This is the main reason why the need for accounting has arisen. Now, what is business transactions? A business transaction is an economic activity that affects the financial position of a business. It can be measured in monetary terms. For example, purchase of goods, sale of goods, payment of salary, payment of rent, purchase of furniture, receipt of cash, payment of electricity bill. All these constitute to business transactions. So why can't a business depend only on a memory? A business performs hundreds of transactions every month, and the human memory is limited. Without proper records, transaction may be forgotten. Expenses may remain unrecorded. Profits may be calculated incorrectly. Wrong business decisions may be taken. Therefore, business cannot depend only on a memory. A person can't remember all these things. Why do we need to maintain records? Okay, so maintaining proper records helps a business to know the amount of sales, know the amount of purchases, determine expenses, know the cash balance, calculate profit or loss, prepare financial statements, and thus maintaining all the records which are essential for every business day-to-day activity. Now, why do we need accounting? Accounting is required because it helps in maintaining systematic records. Every financial transaction is recorded properly, determining profit and loss. Accounting helps determine whether the business has earned a profit or incurred a loss during an accounting period. Determining financial position. Accounting provides information regarding assets, liabilities, and capital, assisting in decision making. Accounting information helps management take informed business decisions. Obtaining loans. Banks generally require financial statements before granting a loan. So, to attain a loan from a bank, you need these financial statements. Compliance with laws. Accounting helps business comply with taxation, legal requirements. These are the all primary reason why we need an accounting. Practical example. Let's take a look. So Rahul owns a grocery shop. During the month of April, the following transaction occurred during his shop. Sales, he has done a sale of 12,000 rupees. He has made a purchase of 7,500 rupees. He has paid a rent of 1,500. Electricity expenses were 600. If Rahul doesn't maintain these proper records, Rahul cannot determine the actual profit earned during the month. That's why importance of accounting is there. So if we don't maintain any records, you won't know what is your actual profit or loss during a particular period in the business. Financial transactions. So only transactions that involve money and affect the financial position of a business are recorded in accounting. Financial transactions are purchase furniture. If you are purchasing a furniture, you are paying a cash. This means it attracts a financial activity. You are selling a goods. So sold goods is a financial transaction because you are selling a goods, earning a money. Paying a salary. If you are paying a salary to your employee, this means this is an expense to you. That's why it's a financial transaction. Received cash. If you are receiving cash, then this means you are earning money. That consists of financial transaction. Paying a rent. Paying a rent again is an expense for you. It's a financial activity. Now let's see what are non-financial events. If you are doing a birthday celebration, it's a non-financial event. If you are playing a cricket, it's a non-financial. You are winning a football match, again a non-financial. Friendship with a customer, these are all non-financial because there is no money involved in this. You're not paying or receiving any consideration. That's why all these are non-financial transactions. So events are not recorded because they do not affect the financial position of the business. That's why. Now there are few important points which you need to remember. Every business performs financial transaction. Proper records are essential for all the businesses. Human memory cannot replace accounting records. Accounting provide useful financial information. Better records lead to better business decisions. There are few important keywords which you need to remember every time. First of all, business, transactions, financial transactions, accounting, profit, loss, assets, liabilities, capital, financial position. So these are all the terms related to your financial accounting. That's why these play a very important role in your daily day-to-day activity, and you will in future classes you will learn more about these terms. So let's take some practice questions. So you need to do this as your homework, and it will be on the basis of the lecture 1 which we discussed. Just try to do it your homework. Like, first one is, what is a business transaction? You don't need to write a big answer for this, just write small answers. Why are records maintained in business? State two benefits of accounting. Again, short answers. Explain the need for accounting. Explain any four advantages of maintaining proper accounting records. And for the last question, you need to give a long answer. Explain the need and importance of accountants with the help of suitable example, like we have discussed in our training session, the shopkeeper's example. You can relate any such example and do your homework. In next lecture, we will be discussing meaning and definition of accounting. Hope to see you all. Thank you.